English Norwegian future. I will have.
Jeg skal ha.
Welcome. Hey you. Glad you're here. Let's make Norwegian future forms feel easy and fun. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Grab your imaginary Viking helmet. By the end, you'll confidently say things like I will have coffee, aka
Jeg skal ha.
cafe. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll plan and order like a pro. Core verb.
Ha.
To have. We build the future mainly with
Skal. Vil.
or
Kommer til å.
plus.
Ha.
Today's targets.
Jeg skal ha. Han vil ha. Hun skal ha. Det vil ha. Vi vil ha. Dere vil ha. De kommer til å ha.
And the base.
Ha.
Forms at a glance. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm. I will have.
Jeg skal ha.
Example.
Jeg skal ha tid i morgen.
He will have.
Han vil ha.
Example.
Han vil ha lunsj 12.
She will have.
Hun skal ha.
Example.
Hun skal ha et møte i morgen.
It will have.
Det vil ha.
Example.
Jeg håper det vil ha en ny oppdatering snart.
We will have.
Vi vil ha.
Example.
Vi vil ha kaffe og kake på møtet.
You will have, plural.
Dere vil ha.
Example.
Dere vil ha en sjanse til å snakke senere.
They will have.
De kommer til å ha.
Example.
De kommer til å ha alt klart innen fredag.
Base verb.
Ha.
Short, mighty, and everywhere. Mini dialogues. Listen, smile, and shadow the Norwegian lines. You, I'm starving, tonight I will have pasta. You, Norwegian.
Jeg skal ha pasta i kveld.
Friend, what about Ole? You, he will have soup. You, Norwegian.
Han vil ha suppe.
Coworker, and Anna? You, she will have a meeting tomorrow. You, Norwegian.
Hun skal ha et møte i morgen.
Tech update, it will have new features soon. Norwegian.
Det vil ha nye funksjoner snart.
Team plan, we will have coffee ready at 9. Norwegian.
Vi vil ha kaffen klar 9.
Guide to group, you will have access after lunch. Norwegian.
Dere vil ha adgang etter lunsj.
Forecast, they will have time tomorrow. Norwegian.
De kommer til å ha tid i morgen.
Rapid fire drills. Answer fast, say it aloud for muscle memory. Translate, I will have coffee. Answer.
Jeg skal ha kaffe.
Translate, he will have the report ready. Answer.
Han vil ha rapporten klar.
Translate, she will have more time. Answer.
Hun skal ha mer tid.
Translate, it will have an update. Answer.
Det vil ha en oppdatering.
Translate, we will have pizza. Answer.
Vi vil ha pizza.
Translate, you, plural, will have tickets. Answer.
Dere vil ha billetter.
Translate, they will have everything. Answer.
De kommer til å ha alt.
Bonus. Say just the base verb, have. Answer.
Ha.
Culture tip and usage. Tiny words, big nuance, here's the friendly cheat.
Skal.
Plus.
Ha.
Often feels like a set plan or arrangement.
Jeg skal ha.
Tid I Morgan.
Vil ha.
Can mean will have or want to have, context decides.
Han vil ha kaffe.
He wants, will have coffee. For crystal clear future, especially with they, use
Kommer til å. De kommer til å ha.
alt klart. Norwegian pro tip. Keep it short and calm, saying
Ha.
confidently is half the battle. Quick quiz. You've got this, answer out loud. Q1, English. Norwegian, we will have time. A.
Vi vil ha tid.
Q2, fill the blank, she underscore 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 a meeting tomorrow. A.
Skal ha. Hun skal ha.
Q3, choose the best future for they,
De vil ha.
or
De kommer til å ha.
A.
De kommer til å ha.
Crystal clear future. Q4, translate the base verb, have. A.
Ha.
Wrap up challenge. One last push, make it yours. Challenge. Say 3 true sentences about your day using these.
Jeg skal ha. Vi vil ha.
And.
Dere vil ha.
Example starters.
Jeg skal ha tid I kveld. Vi vil ha middag klokka 6. Dere vil ha resultatene I morgen.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing and remember, tiny daily reps with
Ha.
add up fast. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, exercises, and freebies. See you next time.